Greetings of the day. My name is Ketan. I'm a hotelier and a learning and development professional. We have different faces and we do often pageant them as per the situations that we are in. It would be absurd if one finds their persona whole at any or every instance. Now, that indeed would be an anomaly in itself, for when one is with their loved ones, they behave in a particular way. When they are with their friends, they are somebody else. When they are with their colleagues, they behave in a yet different manner. And it goes on. People and their personalities therein are much like the overlapping circles of a Venn diagram. Overlapping circles are result of a commonality, while circles which do not overlap merely lack those traits. Now, coming to think of it, with those with whom we have been very recently introduced, we mostly are trying to fathom ourselves. Now, around superiors, we tend to be ardent, dependable, albeit a tad bit mature and responsible. But how are we with our friends? Conversely, with our friends, we could be bumbling idiots of sorts, cracking stupid wisecracks, and being nothing but absolutely asinine. But the most difficult question therein posed at this point to all of us is, from all these different versions which are shared to us, which amongst these is the true version of myself? Although, given the difficulty of the question, it is definitely not impossible to decipher its answer. The truth comes to us from a little bit of all, by picking up the positives from each of these versions. Blending them together, one would get a version that is absolutely authentic to us. Now, as it's said, one step leads to another, and we are therein pitched with yet another perplexing question. What therein is the best version of myself? Now, the simplest and most straightforward meaning to this dictum is learning to overcome yourself in any difficult situation in your life. It's almost like realizing every potential in and about yourself, soaring above every hurdle and conquering the deepest, darkest depths. Be the best version of yourself. Now, this does trigger a belief in us that our potential is limitless, almost infinite, and that we could do so much better if only we tried a little harder and really focused our efforts. Now, during its recruitment campaign from the year 1980 to 2001, the US Army tapped into this widely held belief in obtaining recruits by using their recruitment campaign slogan, "Be all that you can be," which interpreted is almost a version of being the best version of yourself. We are, every single being, complex personalities, not just merely unidimensional. Now, generally stated, we have a multitude of sides to us. Some people bring out the best out of us, while some push our buttons, leaving us in a tizzy of frustration, seemingly bringing out the worst. Therein, the best version of yourself is showing who you are, and in doing so, accentuate your positive aspects. Now, we all have positive and negative elements to our personality. Whilst we are endowed with skills, manners, and various other likable quirks, we also have negative behaviors and attitude forming an essential part of our personality. And a combination or culmination of these two forms the absolute core crux of who we are. Now, the question comes is, what is the best version of ourselves? Now, when we display the best version of ourselves, it's all about putting up or accentuating a flair to our positives to project a likability that others can perceive and enjoy. Simply put, this can be called putting your best foot forward. Being the best version of yourself, in short, means the journey of exploring yourself. That what makes the best with various experiences, including your personal branding journey. Thank you very much and have a lovely time ahead. I will see you in my next video on the brand journey. Take care.